Our service representatives are available to help you during our normal service hours, Monday through Friday from 7:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. and Saturday from 7:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. With our state-of-the-art service features, you can enjoy peace of mind, knowing your vehicle is in expert hands. Making a service appointment has never been easier. You can access our online service appointment calendar 24/7. Once you've registered, an appointment reminder will be emailed to you. Receiving updates on the status of your vehicle has never been more convenient. We'll ask you for the best number to contact you and an email address. Electronic notifications are available so you know the status of your vehicle while it's being serviced, immediate completion notifications, and you can also review your final invoice before coming in to pick up your vehicle. We know you're busy, and we want to make your visit as quick as possible. We offer secure online payment as well, so you can pay for your service before you pick up your vehicle. It's fast, it's convenient, and it's all available to you. We know that you might not be available to bring your car in for service during our normal business hours. That's not a problem. If you drop your vehicle off for service or repair during normal service hours, please bring your vehicle around to our service bay and pull forward as far as you can. You'll be greeted and promptly assisted by one of our family members. We've made dropping off your vehicle easier for you during non-business hours. Stop by our after-hours drop box. There, you'll find an envelope for you to fill out, place your keys inside, seal, and drop in the secure slot located within the box. Once your vehicle is in our shop, you're welcome to stay and relax, or take advantage of any other services we have available for you. A local shuttle service is available for you. Check out our video board by the entrance door for scheduling. Take advantage of our complimentary Wi-Fi in our waiting area, or enjoy premium roasted coffee or other drinks that are also waiting for you. If you need a vehicle for the weekend, ask one of our customer care representatives about the low-cost rental cars available to you as well.